kind people. So today we are discussing 10 ways to love yourself. Number 1 is alone time. As we are caught up in a social world wherein we do not have time for ourselves, taking out some alone time for yourself can actually make you love yourself. Number 2 is meditation. I cannot stress this hard enough, as meditation is something that helped me in getting out of my depression phase, and if it can help me to love myself, it can surely help you too. The next is complimenting yourself. Complimenting yourself on a daily basis. That does not have to be complimenting yourself for something superficial, but rather complimenting yourself for something meaningful and deep. Number 4 is reading books and poetry. I wasn't much of a reader 2 years back, but now I cannot survive a month without reading books. Number 5 is shifting your focus. You can do that by either taking yourself out on a date with yourself or by experimenting with makeup. Makeup is something that helped me feel better again after the whole chickenpox thing. Number 6 is by making a vision board and reading it every day. I have a vision board right next to my bed, and I read that every day and realize that there is a lot that I have to achieve, and I cannot do that if I am not in love with myself. Number 7 is making a thank you board. Making a thank you board and thank yourself for all the good things that you have done for yourself. I will make videos shortly on how to make a thank you and a vision board, so stay tuned for that. Number 8 is quitting on people who drag you down or make you feel less about yourself or make you feel that you are not good enough. You do not need such people in your life. I was surrounded by people who made me feel less about myself, and I did not quit on them just because I did not want to land up being alone or being a loner. But having no friends is way better than having friends who make you feel less of yourself. Exercise. Exercise can not just help your physical body, but it can help you lead a good, healthy mental life. So exercise daily. Even if you're not hitting the gym, do some daily home workouts. There are enough of videos available online that you can follow and work out on bed, at home, or anywhere that you might feel like. Number 10 is healthy eating. You might think that how can eating have a role to play with loving yourself? But there have been tons of researches conducted which concluded that if you eat junk food, you tend to feel sadder and depressed about life. Wherein if you eat healthy food or if you switch to healthy food, you feel joyful and elated and love yourself more. An extra one for you, and it's been over 6 months that I've been following this, and that is go to bed early and wake up early. I sleep around 9 or 10 p.m. and I wake up every morning at 4 a.m. So that has helped me take out some time for myself, because during those ambrosial hours, almost everyone's sleeping and I can have time for myself and exercise and just be with myself. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you, and don't forget to be kind.